Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Dear Mathematics and also welcome to the chapter of determinants. We have already completed the chapter of matrices. Let us go through the topic, very important topic and very easy topic of your mathematics, and this is determinant. So let us go through the definition. Every square matrix can be associated with an expression or a number, and that is called as the determinant of that given matrix. Let A is any matrix, then determinant of A is symbolized by or denoted by like either in the first way or in the second way. Then let us go through the some of the fundamental parts of the determinants. How we can convert a matrix into a determinant. So let us consider. So first of all, there is a condition. We can find out the determinant of a matrix if it is a square matrix. If it is not a square matrix, then we cannot find out its determinant. So it is the mandatory condition or the provided condition. You can say that the determinant is obtained only for the square matrices. Let A is equal to be a square matrix of order n. A11, A12, A1n. Then A21, A22, A2n, then AN1, AN2, and here you can see that this is a matrix of order n because the last element and its position is nn. ANN means the number of rows is equal to n, number of columns also is equal to n. That means the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. That means it is a square matrix. So if it is a square matrix, now it is a square matrix. If it is a square matrix, then its determinant. Can be or is defined as determinant of A is equal to, then this symbol is changed to this symbol because this is the symbol or this is the expression is used to represent a matrix, and this expression is used or this simplification is used to denote a determinant, and here it is A11, A12, A1n, A21, A22, then it is A2n. It is the representation of a determinant for a matrix, and this is the specification of writing a determinant or converting a matrix to a determinant. Then let us go through the value of the determinant of several order matrices. So first of all, we are going to find out the determinant. Determinant is a value or a expression or it is a numerical value. So let us find out the determinant of the matrix having order as 1. Of a first order. Let A is equal to A11 be a matrix of order 1. Then we have to find out the determinant of this matrix. The determinant is defined as determinant of A, and it is, as it is a single element, so its value will be itself, that means A11. Let us take an example so that it will be clear to you. Let A is equal to 5, and you can see that there exists one element in the first row, one row and one column, so it is the matrix of order 1. Then be a matrix of order 1. Then determinant of A is equal to 5 is itself. So it is all about the determinant of a matrix of order 1. Then let us go through the determinant of the matrices of order 2. Then let us go through the finding out the value of determinant of a square matrix of order 2. Let us take a determinant of a square matrix of order 2 first. Then its determinant will be the product of the main diagonal elements minus product of the off diagonal elements. Let us elaborate these things, main diagonal and off diagonal, because we have already studied in the topic of matrices. Suppose a matrix is given in the form of A, B, C, D and it is of order 2, you can see that. This is the main diagonal and this is the off diagonal. So first of all, we have to find out the multiplication of A and D. Then we have to find out the multiplication of B and C. Then we have to subtract it and it will be the determinant of the matrix A. So let us elaborate these things by taking a matrix here. Let A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22 be a square matrix of order 2. Then its determinant is defined as determinant of A, and it is determinant of all the elements here, and it will be defined or it will be obtained in the form of, first of all we have to find out the product of main diagonal elements minus, then we have to find out the multiplication of off diagonal elements A1 to A21, and this is the value of the determinant A. So this is the procedure how we can obtain a determinant of the square matrix of order 2. Let us go through some of the examples based upon the determinant of a square matrix of order 2. Let us take a matrix A is defined as 5, 7, 3, 8. It is a matrix. A is equal to 5, 4, 3, 8 is a matrix of order 2. Then determinant of A will be, first of all we have to remove the matrix symbol and we have to put the symbol of determinant. Then we have to go for the procedure. First of all we have to multiply 5 with 8 minus the product of off diagonal elements, that means 3 into 4, and it is 40 minus 12, it is equal to 28. Then let us take another example. Suppose we have taken it as 6, 7, 2, 10. It is a matrix of order 2. Is a matrix of order 2. Then you have to find out the determinant of the matrix. Determinant of A is equal to, first of all we have to remove the symbol of matrices, then we have to put the symbol of, we have to represent it in the determinant form. Then we have to apply the procedure, multiplication of or the product of the main diagonal elements, 10 into 6 it is 60, minus the product of off diagonal elements, 7 into 2, that means it is 14, that means it is 46, and here is the answer. Let us go through another example by taking the trigonometric functions. Example, let A is equal to, suppose it is given that sin theta cos theta minus cos theta, then again sin theta, and it is a matrix of order 2. Then determinant of A is equal to determinant of these elements. Then first of all multiplication of the main diagonal elements, that means sin theta into sin theta, that is sin square theta, minus multiplication of the off diagonal elements, that means multiplication of cos theta into minus cos theta, that means it is minus cos square theta. Then just simplifying, sin square theta minus into minus plus, it is cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is 1, and here it is your answer. So these are some of the simple problems based upon the determinant of a square matrix of order 2. Let us go through some of the important problems or vital problems based upon this fundamental. Then here it is the one of the most important example based upon the determinant of a square matrix of order 2. Let us find out the determinant. So according to the procedure, first of all we have to multiply the main diagonal elements x minus 1 multiplied with x square plus x plus 1 minus the multiplication of the upper diagonal elements, that means x cube multiplied with 1, then it will be x cube minus 1 cube minus x cube. So cancelling both of the x cube, we have minus 1 as its answer. Then moving towards to the second problem. Again repeating those procedure, first of all multiply the main diagonal elements, that means x minus y multiplied with x square plus xy plus y square minus multiplication of the upper diagonal elements x plus y multiplied with x square minus xy plus y square, then it is x cube minus y cube minus x cube plus y cube, then it is x cube minus y cube minus x cube minus y cube. Then cancelling both of the x cube here, we have the resultant digit minus 2y cube. Then moving towards to the last problem. Then just according to the procedure, multiplication of main diagonal elements, it is 1 into 1, it is 1, then minus log AB multiplied with log BA, then it is 1 minus, according to the properties of logarithm, we can put here in the second term 1 upon log B base A, because we know that log A base B is equal to 1 upon log B base A. Here it is a property according to the properties of logarithm. So cancelling both of these, we can have 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Then let us take another example. Suppose I have taken here the determinant of sin theta, and here it is cot theta, then here it is tan theta, and here it is cosec theta. And according to the procedure, sin theta multiplied with cosec theta minus product of upper diagonal elements, that means tan theta multiplied with cot theta. And you know that sin theta multiplied with cosec theta, it is 1 minus 1, it is 0. Okay. After this problem, let us solve some of the more problems so that it will be very much clear to you how we can find out the determinant of a square matrix of order 2. Then let us move towards to the some of the more important problems that are based upon the determinant of the matrix of order 2. So here it is the problem, and the procedure is the first of all we have to multiply the main diagonal elements, that is x plus 1 multiplied with x square minus x plus 1 minus multiplication of x minus 1 with x plus 1. Then it will be x cube plus 1 minus, it will be a plus b into a minus b, that means it is a square minus b square, that means it is x square minus 1 square. So let us solve it. X cube plus 1 minus x square, it is plus 1, that means the result will be x cube minus x square plus 2, and here it is the answer. Then let us move towards to the next problem. Again the same procedure, first of all we have to multiply the main diagonal elements, then we have to subtract the upper diagonal elements, that means the multiplication of the subtraction of diagonal elements, c plus d multiplied with minus c plus id. But here we have to check that this is in the form of a plus ib into a minus ib. Here it is c plus id and minus c plus id. Let us take a common from the second term of the second part. So after taking a negative sign common here, we can have a plus ib multiplied with a minus ib, minus, and here taking a minus it becomes plus, then it will be c plus id multiplied with c minus id. Then it will be a square minus whole square of ib, then plus c square minus whole square of id. Then it will be a square minus I square v square and plus c square minus I square d square. But you know that the value of I square, it is minus 1. So it is a square plus b square plus c square plus d square, and here it is the answer for the problem. Then let us move towards to the last bit problem of this current video session. After this video session, in the next video session, we will move forward to the finding out the value of the determinant of the matrix of a square matrix of order 3. Okay, let us move towards the last problem. So it is given that the solution, it is given that 2x4 then 6x and its determinant or value of the determinant is very much equal to determinant of 2, 4, 5, 1. So let us put or let us find out the determinant of both the determinants of the left hand side as well as the right hand side. So it will be 2x multiplied with x minus 6 multiplied with 4, then it is 2 multiplied with 1, that is 2 minus 4 into 2, 4 into 4, it is 20. You can write down it in a simple way, or you can generally you can solve it step by step. Okay, 2x square minus 24, it is minus 18, then it is 2x square is equal to plus 6. That means x square is equal to 6 divided by 2, it is 3. Then the value of x, it is plus minus root 3, and here it is the answer or the value of the x, and it has been asked to find out, or so you have to find out or we have to solve it. So the value of x is plus root 3 or minus root 3, or you can write down in a single step plus minus root 3. So this is all about the finding out the value of the determinant of a square matrix of order 2. So in this video session, we started the topic of determinants. It is very much linked with the topic matrices, and here we have studied the definition of our determinants. Then we have gone for the procedure, fundamental parts of the determinants. Then we have solved how we can solve a determinant of a first order matrix. Okay, let us solve another example based upon the first order matrix. Example, let A is equal to, suppose I have taken 3. It is a matrix of order 1, is a matrix of order 1. Then its determinant will be, 3 as itself, and this is the answer. So this is all about the determinant of a square matrix of order 1, because I have already told that we can find out the determinant of a matrix which is only the square matrix. If it is not a square matrix, then we cannot find out its determinant. Then in this procedure we have seen the finding out or evaluation of the determinant of a square matrix of order 1, and similarly in other process we have solved so many problems based upon the determinant of the square matrices of order 2. And in the next video we are going to start the very important, the value of the determinant of the square matrices of order 3, and which is very much important because there are so many fundamentals. 4 types of tricks are there. We have to apply 4 tricks so that we can find out the value of the square matrices of order 3 and its determinant. Okay, till then, thank you.